Hey parents, we know that trying to help your kids with their essays can often feel like navigating through an unknown city without a map. But don't worry, we're here to provide the compass that you need. We're proud to present our latest Khanmigo feature, Academic Essay Feedback. This new feature provides immediate, high quality feedback on essays, helping your child become a more confident writer. Let me show you how it works. To get started, all your child needs to do is submit a draft essay from any class, be it English, US government, history, etc. Click Submit, then Khanmigo gets to work. Right now, Khanmigo works best for persuasive, argumentative, explanatory, or literary analysis essays up to about 1,500 words. You can see that Khanmigo offers insights into everything from essay structure and organization to how well arguments are supported, even down to style and tone. Your child can view the feedback, ask for clarifications, make revisions, and then request more review. It's like having a personal writing coach at your fingertips. And unlike other AI tools such as ChatGPT, Khanmigo doesn't do the writing for your child. It also goes beyond just correcting grammar or spelling. Instead, it's like a trusted mentor that guides students through the entire revision process. And you can get unlimited access to this feature and everything else Khanmigo has to offer for just $4 a month or $44 a year. Click the link in the description below to learn more and get started with Khanmigo.